Ride on what?
Ride on that Batman ride.
There isn't a Batman ride.
Yeah.
There isn't. Look. That's a bike.
Go on then. Go on then. Go on that Batman ride. Go on the bike.
No.
Why?
What are you doing?
What are you
Warmer.
doing?
It's getting warmer and better, isn't it? So as it gets warmer. Where are you going now? What?
I want my pedal out the garage.
You want your paddling pool out the garage?
Yeah.
Why? It's not warm enough today. What's all that about? Yeah, but it's cold and it's raining.
It's not.
It is.
It's not.
It is. It's raining.
Come on.
I can't because it's raining. Can't get your paddling pool out when it's raining, can we? What are you doing now?
Oh, we're playing pillow wow.
You can't have it out.
Why?
Because it's... Alright, I'm not talking to you. I'm not your friend. Alright, bye. You can't play in your paddling pool when it's cold and it's raining.
You threw my body pillow away.
No, I haven't thrown it away.
Why?
Because we save it for another day when it's nice. When it's nice and warm. Why don't you play with your marble machine?
I don't want to.
Right, well why don't you put it away then and get something else out? What do you want to play with?
I have marbles.
You want to play with your marbles?
No.
It's not even 7 o'clock yet in the morning. And you want to play with your paddling pool.
Yeah.
And you've got Lion King on the telly. You've got your marble machine out. Late last night, just before you went to bed, you had your electric out. Didn't you? It's about 10 to 7 in the morning. And it's nice and sunny-ish. It's getting better. So as it gets later...
It's not really stopped.
I know it stopped raining, I know it stopped raining, but it's got to dry out now. And it's got to get nice and warm. And later, we'll go and call for your friend if you want. And she can play with you in your paddling pool if it gets nice and warm. Do we ask Daddy to go for a bike ride?
Yeah.
Do you want to go and get him then?
Yeah.
Go on then, you go and tell him you want a bike ride. Go on. Come on, I'll come with you. Let's go and tell Daddy we want a bike ride.
It's Daddy.
He's in bed. Go to bed, bedroom. Go upstairs.
Daddy, get it down now.
We'll go and get him then. Come on.
Don't follow me.
Yeah, follow you.
Don't.
Why not?
Don't follow me.
You got a sore on your nose.
Don't follow me.
Okay.
I don't get him. Are you?
I'll just make sure he gets up.
No.
Alright, go on, I'll stand at top upstairs and listen. I won't come in, I'll just stand here.
Daddy's room. Daddy's no, not Daddy's room.
No, I'll stand here. Don't lock me out.
What?
Go and ask him.
Daddy. Don't come out. That's a bike ride. That's a bike ride.
Think out your nose.
That's a bike ride. That's a bike ride.
Stop. flu or something, Tommy. Don't
The
think I'm
bike
got. Don't
ride.
think I can do it.
You'll be able to look back at this, Tom, and see.
What's the bike ride? Daddy. What's the bike ride?
I know.
I want to say what it is. A bike ride, yeah?
Bike ride day, is it? Are you looking at diary? Has it got it in, booked in? Bike ride day.
A bike rider.
Oh, right. See, Daddy's got it booked in your diary.
Oh, that's a bike ride. Bye.
You've chosen a great day for it, Tommy. It's
That's a bike ride.
lovely weather, but Dad's
Yeah.
really, really ill.
The fresh air will do Dad good, won't it, Tom? It'll help.
That's a bike ride. But your bike ride, yeah? No. Bye. I'm taking my book.
That's Daddy's book, that.
I'm taking my bike ride. La 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 la. I do bike ride.
Right. Might be down for a bike ride next Friday afternoon.
You poorly? Dad's poorly.
You want to go on it?
Yeah, we'll all go later.
Do you want to go on bike ride?
I'd love to go on a bike ride with you. You ride the house, it's on the seat at the back of you.
I think I'm going out like oh mummy.
What is?
What?
Do you want to go and show me what your dad's doing?
No.
Let's go and see if he's fixed your bike.
Oh my conflict. Oh my conflict. It's sick.
Well, there's light on this part.
Mummy.
The battery runs down really quick when you use that.
Up there.
No. I don't get in this. Me. I don't get in. Mummy, just get in this here. I'm just dropping that down there. Mummy. Mummy. Get me. Get me. Get.
You fall.
Why? I won. I just going back. I'm playing.
Sorry, you're making a mess?
Yeah?
Oh. Well done. Right, that's it, don't make any more mess. Please.
Cheese!
Right, get on.
I will.
Hit it. Off you go. Put your foot down. Go on, do it. Put your foot down. Let me push it.
Was it like that before?
Put your foot on it. Come on. And put your foot down. I'll close the gate, you put your foot down.
Were it like that before?
Yeah. You got to put your foot on the pedal, Tom. on. Keep your foot down. You've got to keep your foot on the pedal.
Let me push it now. Daddy knows ground is on it. Daddy. What? Daddy.
Try not to what? Try not to what? Oh, right.
He's asked you 4 questions then, you didn't answer one.
He's asked me 25 while you're gone for a camera.
Well, you should answer. Tell him what you're doing.
He knows what I'm doing, that's why he's doing it same.
What are you doing, Tom?
How you do that bit, Tom?
You done that bit.
I'll lean on my shovel here. Throw that dirt over here, Tom.
What?
Get the dirt out of there, put it here. That's it. Good boy.
I'm going. Oh, worm!
Pick it up and give it one. No, worms are your friend, pick it up.
There's a worm at the bottom of my garden, and his name
Well,
is
pick it up here.
Wiggly Woo.
I'll leave him then, we need worms in garden.
There's a worm at the bottom of my
Carry on
garden.
digging. Come on, get digging.
Wiggles all day,
Tom,
wiggles all night,
have a tea break.
wiggles in the morning and he wiggles in the night. There's a worm at
Tom,
the
are
bottom
you
of
digging or
my
not?
And the
garden,
worm gone.
Right,
and
shift
his
over.
name
Get
is
back over here.
Wiggly
Over
Woo.
there.
Wig, wig, wiggly,
Kill the
wig,
worm.
wig, wiggly, wig, wig, wiggly
I'm
woo.
killing that worm.
No, you're not. Shift.
What you doing?
What do you want to kill a worm for?
What that little worm going on?
Ah,
Don't.
I caught it then.
Oh,
Let's go it.
what did he do?
That worm.
So what did Dad do with that worm? What?
Right, give us that plant, it's probably just sit in there.
Too heavy.
Your present, but do you know what it is?
Yeah,
What is it?
it's my present.
I know it's your present. Do you know what present it is? Right, come here. Let's have a guess with Mummy. Let's have a guess. Alright, what do we think it is? What do you think it is? What do you think it might be? What is it?
It's
It's your present.
my present.
It is. Let's say thank you to Anuska.
Thank you, Mum.
And Anuska.
And thank you, Nuska.
And Daddy.
Thank you.
Right, shall we see what it is?
Yeah.
Plugged in, Paul. It's plugged in.
Let's have a look at your face outside. Come on outside. Right. What do you think that is? Go in.
Yeah.
You know what to do? You have to turn that handle like that. And then you put your foot on the, that's to stop. Right, that's to stop. Turn that to go. Ready? Turn that. Take your foot off there. Leave your foot off. Turn it. Right, keep it turned. That's it. Right, try it. Turn it and leave it turned. Keep it turned. Like that. Ready? Right, go on. Turn your wrist. Turn it towards you and it'll move forward. Put your hand on there. No, put your hand on. And turn. Don't put your foot on that yet. Ready? That's it. Keep your hand on there. Don't press that yet. You're working the brake well. Right, turn that. Take your foot off the brake.
Take your foot off the brake or else you won't go anywhere.
Right, don't put your foot on the brake now, leave it there. Right, now turn. Right, turn it again. Keep it turned. That's it. Go on then. Keep your foot off that, don't put your foot on it. Tom, go on, do it again. That's it, and then you put your foot on there to stop. Have you got it?
Yeah.
Do you know what to do?
Yeah.
Should we go back? Turn your aim. Ready? Right. Turn your hand. Put your hand, turn your hand on it. Turn your hand on it. That's it. You stop then, yeah, you've got the hang of it now. Right, come on, follow me. This way. Come on, turn it. You have to lean forward a bit.
Leave it, Penny.
When you put your foot on there, turn, yeah, you have to turn that back.
Leave it.
Yeah.
You're good on that, aren't you?
I'm just...
Right. Chase after Penny.
You catch me, Dad.
What? What do you want? What do you want?
I don't want me to.
I know, I want tea. Go on. What are you doing?
I want this off.
You want what off?
I want this off. This.
What?
It's too hot.
Is it?
Yeah.
You're not able to take it off yourself?
No. You won't get off.
Alright, just a minute. You'll be naked if you take that off. Come here, you've got something in your ear. Turn around. Turn this way. Ew, a bit of mud in your ear.
Yeah, look.
I've thrown it on the floor, it's just a bit of mud.
Go on.
I've thrown it on the floor, it's gone. Right, so what are you doing on your bike now? Where are you going?
I just go shop.
You want a shop?
Yeah.
On your bike?
Yeah.
On your own?
Yeah.
You're not big enough. You're pretending.
Not tempting. I'm gonna go out, like up there, like watch. I'm going backwards. I want to go backwards.
Go on then.
You have to stay up there. You have to steer it up there.
You steer it, you jump on now, it's ready to go.
And what there? What's that there? What's that there?
That's the switch.
Why?
Don't break it, that's what where they make it work.
Dad,
Yeah.
I'm going to sleep it in the garage.
Yeah, it sleeps in the garage, yeah.
Why?
It's too big for the house.
Can we sleep it in the garage again?
Are you going to drive it into the garage now?
Yeah.
While we have tea?
Yeah.
Go on then, climb on. Drive it into the garage. Make sure you put your foot on the brake when you're at the end of the garage so you can stop.
No, because you should get. I go.
Right, where are you going?
I was going shop.
Well, go on then.
Or you should get. I got shop.
Alright,
You go on then. Go on then.
go on. Sit on it and make it work, you don't have to push it. You're not riding it? You're not riding it?
Let's press that button there.
I shut the gate, but I don't know why.
No, you should get out there. Well, you sat on that bench.
Right, I'll wait here for you then. Where you go to shop? Right, get me a Milky Bar from shop.
Yeah.
And you get something for yourself.
I'm going right round the line. I think, but I'm not going to find you. Look up shop.
Okay, you got shop, I'll wait here.
No, you go climb them. I bet like in the house. Yeah?
You want me to give you the camera?
Yeah.
No chance.
No, I'm gonna put on that bench. So, well, I got, both got shot.
Oh, you want me to go shop as well now?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah, you take camera.
Well, we're having tea in a minute, so I'm not going to shop yet.
I want me got shot with me and you. And got in my house a minute. Come on, got our house. I've got my bike.
Have a ride to the end of the drive here and then come back and then we'll go for some tea. And then me and you'll go shop later. How's that?
No. Come back out tea later. Yeah? Yeah?
I'm starving, I've had no tea, mate.
Aw.
Oh, I'm really hungry. Do you want to sit with me and have tea?
No.
Why not?
I got shot down the drive.
Well, go on then, I'll come with you. Jump on your bike then. Right, push it. Ready? Right, go. Go on then.
When it stops. And when it stops, yeah?
Yeah?
And I got backwards. I took my gate. I took the gate. Well, this one stood.
That doesn't do anything, that. Turn your other one, so see if you can move. That's it. It's only the one that works. I'm going to give you a push. Right, go.
Come on.
Come in. When you put your foot down, let go, don't turn the handle at the same time. I'll make sure you don't crash. Keep going. You keep going. Turned a bit fast then, didn't we?
Why? No, I push the bike. No, you cross it over.
Well, we'll go back for something to eat now and we'll go shop later.
No, Dad, I haven't got shot now.
I know you do, but we're not.
No, Dad.
Right, hang on. Put your brake on. Put your foot on the brake. See? Silly bugger.
I'm fast and Mum.
Oh, you didn't know it stopped, did you? Forgot.
Dead fast.
Yeah. Well, I took my dad. No. I'm going to come back later. I'm going to be there for a minute.
Right, I'm going to go for something to eat now, mate.
No, Dad, I'm going over.
I'll see you in a minute.
I'll use something like this. Look at that middle.
Tina.
No, do it again. I'm in the camera. Mom, there's the camera.
What happened?
I'm getting on your knee. Oi!
Come on, Tomsky.
I feel good.
It's alright.
Jump in bed. Jump in bed.
Alright, jump in bed.
Jump in bed. Skit scally-doo. I'll shut door. I'll shut door.
Why?
Do you want me to get in with you?
Yeah.
You sure? Yeah. I'll take your door, Jossie.
Why?
It's in my pocket for later.
I want it now.
How do you mean you want it now?
There's your feet gone.
Where's my shit? My sheets here. You ready for bed?
Let me do this.
I'll take this pillow. Say goodnight to Mummy.
That's the door.
He's got his feet inside my flies now.
Right.
No, no.
Night.
Can shut it out way. Shut it completely. Ooh. It's dark.
Why?
Ooh. Had a nice day. You like swimming? Where did we go?
Backside.
Where?
Backside.
We went to Hyde Baths.
You say I talk.
What?
You say I talk.
I always say you talk too much, don't I?
You say I talk.
You say I talk.
Yeah.
What do you mean?
You say I talk. You say me talk.
What do you mean?
You say it.
I say it.
Yeah, I talk.
Okay. Hyde Baths.
When I do it,
No, you do it then.
I bath.
Hyde Baths.
I bath.
Hyde Baths.
I bath.
Yeah. Did you have a good time?
Yeah.
Did you see any young girls you liked?
Yeah.
Which one?
Big girl.
Was there a big girl?
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see her. What was she wearing?
Huh?
What did she wear? What was she wearing?
Glasses.
Glasses?
Yeah.
A big girl with glasses?
Yeah.
Swimming?
Yeah.
I don't remember that.
Oh, mercy. What's my daughter?
It's in my hand.
Can I have it?
Yeah, in a minute. I'm just going to ask you something.
Uh,
You can have it in a minute. Give me a kiss.
I'm going to go sleep now, mate.
You want to go to sleep?
Yeah.
Well, it's not normally a bit like this. You normally...
And I want my daughter.
I'm sorry, you normally prattle on to me. Yes, yeah, where's your mouth? You normally prattle on to me. And I have to say, shh, don't go to sleep. It's you say, Dad. Shh, go on to sleep. He's telling me to be quiet. Not normal like this. Yeah, I love you. You sang to me last night.
Hi.
You sang Twinkle, Twinkle to me to get me to go to sleep.
Say again.
Yeah, go on, sing it again.
Because of the sky. Is it?
Are you singing for me?
Me. Is it me? Is it me?
You want me to do it?
Yeah.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
Little star.
Okay. Little star, how I wonder where you are. Up above this place right in the sky.
Got nose and tongue. Nose and tongue. Got nose and tongue.
Twinkle, twinkle, little star.
We're on it. Say no, mate.
Hmm?
Tingles. Say no.
Okay,
I'm not saying it now.
okay.
I'm not saying that now.
No, no. I've never known you go so quickly to sleep.
It says.
Hmm?
It says. Get off, Mum. Get off.